Hello everyone. So we are back again after the vacation. I hope you all are doing well and taking care of your health, and I hope you must have completed your holiday homework. So today I'm here with the video of class 3rd English 1st lesson 10 articles. So I, your English teacher Parul Tomar, will be telling you in detail about chapter 10 articles. So let's start the chapter. Grammar is all about the rules and regulations. So this chapter articles is also having some set rules and regulations. Before starting the chapter, we need to go through these rules and regulations in detail so that we can understand this topic fully. So let's start. The word a or n and the are called articles. What are called articles? A, n and the. Rule number 2. The word the points out some particular person or thing. Therefore, it is called definite article. Which is called definite article? The, because it indicates or points out towards a particular person or thing. Rule number 3. The word a or n leaves indefinite the person or thing spoken of. Therefore, it is called indefinite article. What is called indefinite article? A or n, and the is called definite article. He wants a dictionary means any dictionary, because we are using here a. He wants the dictionary means some particular dictionary. Here we are talking about a particular dictionary, so we have used the word the. And in the previous sentence, we are talking about any ordinary dictionary. That's why we have used the article a. So, according to the rules, there are two types of articles: indefinite articles and definite articles. Indefinite articles we use for the general things. Indefinite articles are a or n, and definite articles we use for the specific things, some particular things, and mostly with proper noun. We use the with those specific or special things or the things which are unique. So now, before we move forward, to understand the rules better, I want to revise few things which you have already studied in the earlier classes. Vowels and consonants. As you must be already knowing, there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O and U. And there are 21 consonants: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. So in total we have 5 vowels and 21 consonants. With these vowels we use N, and with the consonants we use A. So now, when we are already aware with the vowels and consonants, I would like to give some examples for a better understanding. We use article A in front of the consonants. Some picture examples are given below. The first example is fan. A fan. The word is starting from F and F is a consonant. So we have used article A. Second picture is dog. Again this word is starting with consonant D. So we have used article A. Third picture is book. It's starting with the word B and B is a consonant. So we have used article A. In the same way, cat starting with the C consonant, girl starting with the G consonant, table starting with the T consonant, horse starting with H again a consonant, man starting with M a consonant, pen starting with P again a consonant, rat starting with R which is a consonant. All these words are starting with the words which are consonants. So with alphabets which are consonants, so we have used article A in front of them. In the first slide, we have studied about the use of indefinite article a. Now we will learn the use of indefinite article n. We use indefinite article n before those words that begins with a vowel sound. Vowels, as I have told you earlier, A, E, I, O and U. So for example, see the first picture. Apple. Apple starts with A. A is a vowel. So we will use article n and apple. Second picture is eagle. Eagle starts with E. So we will use indefinite article n as E is a vowel. Ice cream. Again, this starts with a vowel I. So we will use the article n. Onion. Again, the use of a vowel O. So we will use an article, an onion. Same way, an oven, an egg, an ink pot, an aeroplane, an orange, an umbrella. All these words start with the vowel. So, before every word we have used the article n. So, in this slide we have learned that we use article n before all the words which start with a vowel. Now, to explain the usage of A and N, I am going to use some picture examples. Listen it carefully. Give me dash pencil. What should come here, students? P, pencil is starting with consonant sound. And with the consonant, we use A. So, give me a pencil. Example number 2. This is dash apple. Apple starts with A and A is a vowel. So we will use article n before apple. So it will become this is an apple. Example number 3. He has dash book. It is starting from consonant B. So we will use article A in front of book and it will become he has a book. Example number 4. I have dash rabbit. The word is starting with the word R. R is a consonant. So we will use article A in front of rabbit and it will become I have a rabbit. There are some more rules for using indefinite article A and N. Here we will be discussing about those rules. We use A or N only before singular countable nouns like a table, a man, a tables, a men, tables and a man is plural, so we will not use article a. That's why I have put cross in front of them. A table, a man is singular. That's why I have put it in front of them. So use of a is correct. We also use the indefinite article a in the sense of one. One means number one. For example, wait a minute. It means wait 1 minute. 1,000 people were there. It means 1,000 people were there. So here R represent 1 number. Now we are going to discuss about some special words. Words which does not follow the normal rules applies on other words. For example, an hourglass, an honest man. Hourglass and honest both are starting with the word H, alphabet H, and H is a consonant. But still we have used the word N, article N. Why? Because we use article according to the sound. When we say hourglass, H is silent. We can listen only hour. So the sound of O is coming and O is vowel. So we have used article N. When we say honest, again H is silent. And what we are listening? We are listening the sound of O. And O is a vowel. So we have used article N with honest. The second example, a uniform, a university, a unity, a unique. According to the normal rules, this is wrong. U is a vowel. Then why we are using A with it? Now pronounce these words again. Uniform. The sound is Y is coming. University. Again the sound is Y is coming. Unity and unique. In both sound of U is coming. And Y is not a vowel. A is a vowel. That's why according to the sound we have used article A. Because it is giving the sound of Y. To clear it more, if you see on the left side orange circle oval, there are two examples, an umbrella and ugly. These words are also starting U. Then why we have used N with one word and A with another word? The secret lies in the pronunciation. Now pronounce it. Umbrella. The word is starting with the alphabet O. And A is a vowel. Ugly. Again the sound of O is coming. And A is a vowel. So we have used article N with umbrella and ugly. Do you understand now? If the sound of O comes, then we will use article N in front of that word. If the sound of Y comes, then we will use the article A because we consider it a consonant and not a vowel. So what we have learned in the previous slides? We have learned about the indefinite article A and N and their uses. So article A is used with consonants and only before singular countable noun. Countable noun means noun which we can count in numbers and only with the singulars. And indefinite article N is used before words starting with vowels, means words which start with A, E, I, O, U, except some special words which I have already explained you in the previous slide. Remaining all we use article N. In this slide we will learn the use of definite article the. In the previous slides we have already learned the uses of indefinite article A and N. So the rules are as written down. The is used with the names of rivers. The Ganga, the Yamuna, the Nile, the Brahmaputra, the Kaveri, any river. We will use the article the. Second rule is with the name of oceans and seas. The Pacific Ocean, the Black Sea, the Caspian Sea. In front of the names of sea also we will use the article the. Next rule is with the names of mountain ranges, all the mountain ranges like the Himalayas, the Alps, the Andes. In front of all the mountain ranges we will use the article the. With the names of historical monuments. Historical monument means any monument which have a history, a story behind it. For example, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Qutub Minar, any building which have a history behind it is called historical monument, and we use article the in front of it. With the names of certain books. For example, the Bible, the Ramayana, the Gita, the Mahabharata. In front of certain books, not all the books, we use article the. With the names of things being the only one of their kind. The universe, the sun, the earth. So, do we have many universe, many sun and a lot of earth? No. We have only one universe, only one sun and only one earth. So, these are one of their kind. Mostly we use article the with the proper noun. The noun, what is proper noun? Which starts with capital letter and which talks about a particular person, place or thing. So we have already discussed enough about article A and N. Now we have already discussed the rules of applying definite article the. Now I will give you some examples for a better understanding. The definite article the is used when we know that the person or the thing is definite. It is a particular person or thing. For example, this is the man who came here. It is not any man, ordinary man. It is the man who came here, a particular man. So we have used the article the. In the second example, the girl who met you is my cousin. Not any girl. The girl who met you. You already know that girl. So we are talking about a particular girl. That's why we have used article the. In the second example, the definite article is used before particular river, mountain ranges, newspapers, buildings, seas, oceans, etc. For example, I live near the Ganga. I live near which river? Ganga. Not any random river. Ganga, it's a proper noun also. So we have used the article the. I read the Pioneer. Only Pioneer. Not any other newspaper or any newspaper. I read the Pioneer. So I'm talking about a particular newspaper or magazine. That's why we have used the article the in front of the Pioneer. Right? Some more examples are the definite article is used before names of the things which are unique, means which are special. The sun has set. Sun is unique because we are not having many suns. Sun is only one of its kind. So we have used article the in front of sun. In the second example, there are many stars in the sky. We have just one sky. It's unique and one of its kind. That's why again we have used article the in front of the sky. The definite article is used before an adjective in the superlative degree. Superlative degree means the best in that class. She is the best girl in the class. It is the tallest tree in the area. Not any girl, the best girl of the class. So we have used article the in front of the best girl. And the second example, tallest tree in the area, means we are talking about a particular tree which is tallest. So we have used article the in front of tallest in second example. Now we will do the exercises given at the end of the chapter on page number 51. Put A or N in the following blanks. Number 1. Advocate. The word is starting from the alphabet A, and A is a vowel, as I have already explained you in previous slides. So here article N will come. N, advocate. An oven, a bench, a hospital, a dozen, a pencil, a long time, a doctor, an emperor, an orange, an uncle, a park, a garden, a zoo, an enemy, a queen. In this exercise, we will learn to use definite and indefinite article both together according to the rules and situation. Exercise number 1. Dash Nile is dash longest river in the world. Nile is the name of the river. So we are talking about a special river. So the Nile is the longest river in the world. So we will use article the on both the places. Number 2. Taj Mahal is a World Heritage Monument. Again, Taj Mahal is a historical monument. So we will use article the in front of Taj Mahal. Number 3. Miss Kavita is dash kind lady. Kind starts with alphabet K and K is a consonant, so we will use article A. Miss Kavita is a kind lady. There was an orange in her hand, because O is a vowel, so we have used article N. The earth moves around the sun. We have used article the on both the places because earth and sun both are unique and one of its kind. Number 6. Mary borrowed a book from her school library. Book starts from alphabet B with a consonant. The Himalayas are the highest mountain range in the world. Himalayas are the mountains and we use article the with mountain ranges. So we have used article the here. Number 8. One day Seema saw dash girl weeping in dash park. So we will use article A and the in this sentence. One day Seema saw a girl weeping in the park. Almost every family in our country owns a TV. Because we are not talking about any particular thing, we are just talking about any TV. So, a TV. Number 10. A lot of people are coming to the meeting. Lot is starting with alphabet L and L is a consonant. So, we have used article A here. Now let's start the joy drill given on page number 52. Put A or N in the following boxes. We have already done enough practice in different exercises. So here, according to the picture and their name, we have to use the article ant, an ant, a xylophone, a mushroom, an egg, a hammer, an hourglass, a flower, an owl, an igloo, a car, a uniform, an umbrella. There are two particular words in this exercise which I have already explained you, hourglass and umbrella. With hourglass also we have used article N, and with umbrella also. In umbrella U is vowel, but in hourglass H is not vowel. It's a consonant, but we have used N because H is silent and we are listening the sound of O. That's why we have used article N here. The second exercise in joy drill is circle the correct article. Articles are already given with the words. We have to choose the correct one and circle it. The first one is an apple. So here an will come. An apple. Kite, a kite. Owl, an owl. Candle, a candle. Umbrella, an umbrella. Elephant, an elephant. Spider, a spider. Books, the books. Moon, the moon. Starfish, a starfish. Bottle, a bottle. Octopus, an octopus. So here with the words which are starting with alphabet, which are vowels, we have used article N, and words which are starting with consonant, we have used article A. So here ends our chapter 10. I hope you kids have enjoyed and learned the use of articles with different words and in different situations. Don't forget to write comment in the comment box and like the video. See the video completely and then write your comment in the comment box. Have a great day.